forget what shop. I just popped up here at this thrift. And I just want to try a few things on and show y'all what's popping. I found a couple finds. This I just got. Let's see if it fit, just for work. I just got like a little relaxed Nike sweats and then let's see this polo fit, which I'm not sure if it will, because I'm not sure it's for women. I doubt it though. But I really wish I still had my camera, bro. This shit fucking me up. Anyways, bro, I fuck with this shit. This shit actually hard. Little light pony. She like this one. I like that it doesn't have drawstrings. It looks better without the fucking little holes, little holes too, or whatever. It's cool. Alright, these are the pants. These are actually pretty cool. I sag my shit a little bit. But these are actually fine. I like these. I like this budget shit, bro. Like, I be finding good shit. I ain't gonna lie, like I love budgeting on my fucking clothes now. I'm not going like for pieces all the fucking time. Shit's just nice. Bro, these pants kinda cool. They like taper at the thigh. Not my fault. They taper at the thigh. And then they just slim. Like a little straighter at the bottom. It's actually nice. A nice fit. Like this don't look bad at all. Levi's got some good shit, bro. So here and there, I just be finding good pickups, like thrifting, like for these. To be honest, I need comfortable. All right, gang, I'm just gonna head out with these. And some cool off this one. I like this one. I already got like a navy Nike jacket similar to this. This one's nice, but I don't need it. I'm just gonna roll with these two pants and call it a motherfucking night of shopping, bro. I'm gonna cop this bag. I've been here for a little minute, just thinking about it, but this shit hard. Damn, not that this thing with this, hold on. Alright, yo, what's good? I just got back home from shopping that I showed y'all. I went ahead and copped, but I wanted to show y'all this just like a cool little presentation of this. I actually really love their new packaging. I haven't been to Gucci. I don't even really shop at Gucci like ever for real. But I saw this bag online when I was at work today, and I was like, I want to go see it. So yeah, that's basically like the backstory. It looked cool. I like how like the new presentation that Demna is kind of like implementing into Gucci. You feel me? So that definitely caught my eye in terms of like how this was presented on the website and shit like that. That's the whole reason why I was interested in the first place. So his little tactic worked on my ass, but seat right here. I just love this velvet, bro. It's just hard. But yeah, it's just the box. I honestly don't even want to untie this shit, so I'm gonna finesse it. Cause I always like the bows, bro. I always like the bows, and I just probably been putting it back on. Love like Gucci's presentation too on the items. Like my mom got me a wallet way back like a couple years ago for Christmas, and I just generally think that they have a good presentations when it comes to their items. They're all, like kind of next to Rick, to be honest, in my opinion, in terms of presentation and presentation only. But after that, you're presented with black dust bag. Like I said, the color coordination with everything is just really nice. Very luxury for, I don't even say that usually, but that's the black dust bag. Check it out. so fucking sexy, bro. Like, look at it.
My phone storage I cut out, bro. But I was gonna show y'all. I don't know if I had mentioned already how important, I guess, the contrast of the zipper is, like, just to overall design. I feel like the zippers, to me personally, I always just love how much they shine, especially on something that it just looks like very like elegant on. But it's got some like leather lining. And one of the things that's also really cool about this bag is it's got like a little card holder. So it's got a couple slots in there and it's leather lined as well.
Like, what I really like as well is the Gucci embossed into the tab pull like that. Again, just super calm, honestly. It's gonna be a nice rotation. I like that it's very versatile too. Like, wear it regular like this, but then I realized that like this shit look good, but then I put it on like the other way too. And I don't know, something about this way like resonates. I like this shit. Like, I like how this looks on this side. Bro, this bag was really worth it to me. Definitely let me know what y'all think about this shit, bro. I'll probably have this shit cut to another segment of music somewhere. I just want to give you guys more vlogs and be consistent with the shit. Y'all been showing love, bro, and I appreciate that shit a lot. So I just want to be consistent, bro. I don't want to really continue growing this shit. And one other thing, bro, before I forget, I want to show y'all my new hoodie that I made. I'm actually almost sold out, and I'm actually very grateful for that. I only have 6 more left out of 24 that I made. And I do got them available on my site if you guys fuck with the look of this. There's nothing on the back, but I'm telling y'all, I went with some good ass quality blanks, and then this right here is hand drawn by me, and it does have a meaning, and like just to shorten it up, like I would explain it, but in short, it's really just supposed to represent like basically like when you're going through a time in your life and you got shit, all types of shit going on, and it might even be like regarding like a fucking relationship or something, and just fuck you up. You feel me? And it's just not, things are just not quite going your way. In reality, we do really just got our own selves. Like, we gotta have our own selves back. But like, the idea is, it's my storage I ran out again, bro. What I was saying is, it's not an idea, it's just a concept derives from like my personal feelings. And so like the concept derived from the fact of, again, like something not going a specific way that I had exactly envisioned in terms of relations. And of course there's also with like friendships and shit like that, where the idea comes from those feelings, is basically where like these truths and the reality that's just set in is right in front of you. And so you understand where people are with you, and you understand like you stand, so you kind of understand where you're now gonna stand with whomever, you feel me? So it just kind of like, again, just spilt like on the table, it's laid out for you, you know what I mean? So I like the word spilt just because, again, it's just another way of saying laid out for me. Very simplistic as well. That this like cross, 3 crosses right here was like one of the first designs that I did in one of my notebooks. And so I just wanted to implement it. And it has a few like hearts, broken hearts, and again, that spilling aspect alongside the word. Again, just in simpler terms, it's just when everything's laid out, and you know, it's just kind of up to you. Like, you understand yourself what direction you're gonna go with the reality, again, that's set in from those who have either done you wrong. It's basically where like everything just becomes a lot more clear. You know what I mean? I'm sure y'all understand what I'm saying, but that's where this concept, again, derived from. Real feelings for sure. And I got plenty more to come. But yeah, if y'all want to support this, I only have a few more larges left on the site, and I have 1 or 2 more mediums. So definitely tap in if you'd like to, or I'd definitely appreciate that.